Kentucky sky. Learned to work the land early with a steady hand and eye. He heard the prophet's message, felt the Spirit call him on. Packed up wife and children, and to Nauvoo he was gone. Crossed the plains with Captain Smoot through the dust and summer heat. Sick oxen, weary children, but he walked on faithful feet. When the crickets ate the wheat fields and the saints bowed down in prayer, the white gulls came from heaven and the harvest still was there. From Kentucky to the valley, through the good times and the bad, he planted faith like seed corn in every field he had. Through frost and fire and famine, he trusted God to see him through. And the Lord walked every footstep as the Allen story grew. He rode with the noble Legion when Johnston's army came. Guarded canyon fire and cattle in the Utah war's cold flame. Built a home in South Willow Creek with his family gathered round. 11 children laughing in that little farming town. But one July day in Draper, with the hay pitched high and full, he stepped inside the pasture, unafraid to face the bull. A furious charge a moment, and the loving father fell. But his life still sings in echoes up and down the valley well. From Kentucky to the valley, through the good times and the bad, he planted faith like seed corn in every field he had. Through frost and fire and famine, he trusted God to see him through. And the Allen name keeps arising